name. Get it right, I'm your man. For the night we pop out at 1 in the morning. You really wanna know this kind of life, never boring. She bought Dior with a man from the store, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring. She asking to come with the crew, and the accent to come with a view. She dancing, unruly, reaction, I love it. Bad to the bone, and she know it. When she move that fast and slow, she approach to the pros, do the most. Other girls they not even close, now go baby go to the flow. Make it clap like a Broadway show. I might throw a rose, make a toast. Say the word, I'ma give you the word. I'm back to the bar, need to fill it up. Then back to the car, put the windows up. Then the hour gone past, now she drawing on the glass. That smiley face with a middle finger up. No, baby, don't flaunt it. She a goddess, you the muse, and the artist. You see what you like, if you want it, come get it, but don't take long. We pop out at 1 in the morning. You really wanna know this kind of life, never boring. She bought Dior with a man from the store, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring. She asking to come with the crew, and the accent to come with the view. She dancing,
J'ai vlog Saman. J'ai vlog.
What?
J'ai vlog Saman. Et bah dis-toi, en 10 minutes, j'ai fait plus... Mais tu sais, arrête, laisse tellement dormir. Ah non, moi il m'a insulté quand j'ai dormi. Mais arrête, tu sais que le prof de maths, il restait 10 minutes de la fin, j'ai fait plus d'exercices en 10 minutes que toute ma classe en 50 minutes. Genre les fils de merde frère, genre c'est une dinguerie de... un exercice de Pythagore ça aurait pris 1 heure. Ça aurait pris 5 minutes. Non mais tu mets en Ulysse frère. Tu veux vraiment baiser une meuf en Ulysse? Mais réellement tu veux vraiment céder?
Please adopt me. Cause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
J'ai beat Misfire, joyeux Noël, Aïd Moubarak, Aïd Mabrouk, ça suffit. Joyeuse fête de Yom Kippour à tous.